Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to set up a subreddit on Reddit. The process is quite simple. Start by navigating to the Communities section and clicking on Create Community. Now, choose a name for your group. For example, I will use Spaceships 123. In the description field, explain the community's focus, such as discussing space. Once your title and description are ready, click Next. At this stage, you can upload a banner and an icon for your subreddit. Click Next again to filter your topics. You might select categories like space and astronomy, science and engineering. After adding 3 topics, hit Next. You can then determine if your community will be public, restricted, or private. Select your preferred setting and click Create Community. That is all it takes to build a subreddit. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for future tutorials.